In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can find unknown values in an identity. In a previous video that I'll link here, we used completing the square in order to change the form of the left-hand side of an identity in order to equate coefficients to find our unknown values. We need to do the same here. Now, because x squared has a coefficient of 2, we're going to take 2 out as a common factor of 2x squared plus 12x. This will leave me two lots of x squared plus 6x, and then plus g on the left-hand side. Completing the square of x squared plus 6x will give x plus 3 all squared, take away 9. Multiplying out the 2 will give two lots of x plus 3 all squared, take away 18 plus g. Now writing the right-hand side of my identity underneath, e lots of x plus f all squared plus 4, we can see that e and f can be easily read off. But in order to work out what g is, I need to solve the equation. So e is equal to 2 and f is equal to 3, but negative 18 plus g is equal to 4. This means that g is equal to 22 by adding 18 to both sides. And now I've answered the original question by finding all the values of e, f, and g. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So like what we did before, we need to be able to complete the square to get it into the form of the right hand side of my identity. Taking 2 out as a common factor, I get two lots of x squared plus 4x, and then plus c on the outside. Completing the square on the bracketed expression will give x plus 2 all squared, take away 4, and then multiplying out the 2 will give two lots of x plus 2 all squared, take away 8, and plus c on the end. Now writing the right hand side of my identity underneath, a lots of x plus b all squared plus 4, we can see the value of a is 2, the value of b is 2, but to find the value of c, I need to solve the equation that negative 8 plus c is equal to 4. Adding 8 to both sides gives me c is equal to 12, and I've answered the question. A is 2, b is 2, and c is 12.